For most people watching this, money's already tight. And that's probably why you're here. You're looking for a real way to make more of it. And the last thing you need is another program asking you to spend money you don't have, just hoping it'll somehow work out. That's not what this is. This is about giving you a fair shot, with the smallest commitment possible, to see for yourself that money can start flowing in, without risking what you can't afford to lose. Because let's be honest, being broke is exhausting. Waking up every day with money stress hanging over you, trying to stay positive while the bills keep coming. Praying things will change, but deep down wondering if tomorrow will look any different than today. And what makes it worse? How easy it is to fall for those so-called opportunities online. Big promises, flashy videos, and hype that usually leads to disappointment. You end up paying for something that doesn't deliver what you actually need. That's why the system was built differently. No long-term commitments, no crazy learning curve. It's broken down into something simple. Just $5 for 24 hours of access. One day, one goal, get your first win. Prove to yourself that money can start coming in when you're plugged into the right system. That's the power of this model, small steps that led to big change. And the best part, you're not doing it alone. You got a community of people all focused on winning together, creating consistent daily cash flow that actually makes a difference. And here's something important to know right from the start. You won't get inside just to find out the real stuff is locked behind another paywall. $5 is all it takes to get started, and to get paid in a way that could truly change your financial situation. So for the next few minutes, give me your attention. Lock in, because what you're about to see has the power to change everything for you financially. Starting right now. This is people getting paid.